This video is for demonstration purposes only and is for reference only. DS600 filling system, a high-precision, modular liquid filling device designed for pharmaceutical, chemical, and food industries. It offers high-accuracy filling and intelligent management, significantly improving production efficiency. Different channel dimensions. Controller dimensions. Main components at the front of the execution unit. Main components at the rear of the execution unit. Main components at the rear of the controller. For DS600 4-channel system with DMD15 pump head, check the packing list to verify all components are complete and undamaged for channel execution unit, controller, DMD15 pump head, product brochure, manual, power cord, and accessories. Reserve at least 200 mm clearance at the rear during use. Pump head installation, example for channels, DMD15 pump head, 16 tubing. Use two M4X10 countersunk head screws to attach the DMD15 pump head's mounting plate to the driver, aligning the positioning hole with the locator pin on the driver's pump head bracket. Insert the flat shaft end of the pump head into the slot of the drive unit's coupling. Align the pump head's positioning holes with the two corresponding positioning pins on the mounting plate. Once the pump head is flush with the mounting plate, secure it using two pump head screws, M4X10 hex socket cap screws. Place the tubing set on the rollers and into the left and right tube slots. Secure the Y-type 3-way connectors at both ends into the slots. Ensure the tubing is straight to avoid crushing. After installing the upper pressure block, press down the left and right levers to lock it in place. First, start cable connections and start wizard setup. Use a communication cable for P to connect the controller and the drive module. Use a dual-head DC-24V power cable to connect the controller's power port and the drive unit's rear DC-24V power port. Plug the included power cord into the power socket at the rear of the system. First, turn on the power switch at the bottom of the controller, then the drive unit's power switch. The controller screen will show the startup screen for 2 seconds, then select English language. After entering the execution unit scan interface, the main screen will appear once scanning is complete. Click Run to begin operation. Other compatible pump heads for DS600, YZ15, YD15, YZ25, YT25. For more options, contact Lead Fluid Sales Manager.